Dancehall artist Skillibeng was recently spotted in the studio with award-winning We The Best producer DJ Khaled. Music lovers were sent in a frenzy after the two posted photos working on some new music in the studio.
Believe in us. Skilly did.
Yesterday, in several posts on Instagram, Khaled, who was very open about his love for dancehall music and culture, treated the hit maker to some Jamaican cuisine before hitting the studio.
Skilly, you see it from Jamaica. Chef, what we doing? What we doing?
We wanted to give you a taste of your home, and we hope we do it well. Just a little bit of Eskimish fish, some patties, chicken, we got some oxtails, we got some curry goat, lobster, shrimp, some colossal shrimp.
In this post, DJ Khaled shared online, he stated that he is in album mode while giving his 29 million followers a sneak peek with clips from the studio session. Skillibeng, who recently signed a deal with RCA Records, is scheduled to release his studio album later this summer. The Crocodile Teeth DJ is also embarking on his tour, which kicked off in May and will run through to July. The tour will see him making stops in Los Angeles, Hartford, Atlantic City, and San Francisco. Now, still on upcoming tour dates, Reggae Grammy-winning singer Stephen Marley is scheduled to embark on his Babylon by Bus tour. The tour, which kicks off today in the United States, will feature Skip Marley, Kabaka Pyramid, and Ben Harper. The stint will make stops in Nevada, Arizona, Colorado, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Massachusetts, and New York. Stephen is set to showcase a mixture of his own songs from his 4-decade-long career, along with songs from his father Bob Marley's extensive catalog. The tour was named after Bob Marley's promotional tour for his 1978 Babylon by Bus album. $1 from each ticket sold on the tour will benefit the Ghetto Youths Foundation, a non-profit Marley Foundation with his brothers Damon and Julian, to provide support, resources, and opportunities to communities in need, such as Trenchtown in Jamaica. Rapper Eminem is celebrating the 20th anniversary of his hit album The Eminem Show with a new expanded version of the album. The project, which was released today, includes previously unreleased songs like Stimulate, The Conspiracy Freestyle, Bumpheads, and Jimmy, Brian and Mike, as well as instrumental tracks and live songs. The album was a follow-up to his Marshall Mathers LP released in 2000 and became the best-selling album of the year in both the US and around the world. Eminem is set to be inducted in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame as part of the class of 2022. The ceremony is slated for November 5 this year at Microsoft Theater in Los Angeles, California. News broke earlier today that actor and producer Ray Liotta has died. The news was confirmed by his publicist Jennifer Allen. He was 67 years old. Allen confirmed the actor's death, saying that Liotta died in his sleep. Reports are that the actor was in the Dominican Republic, where he was filming the movie Dangerous Waters alongside actors Eric Dane and Adea Rush. Actors, producers, and industry players have since taken to social media to send their condolences. Ray Liotta is known for his roles in Goodfellas and Field of Dreams. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.